Let's take a look at what's happening in Iran in real time. Instead of opening multiple tabs and scanning headlines manually, we're going to use one structured query. We start with a structured Boolean search. The first group defines location, Iran or Tehran. The second group defines event type, protest, military activity, sanctions, unrest, or attacks. By structuring the query this way, we reduce noise before results even appear. We're not searching blindly, we're searching intentionally. Once we submit the query, the system handles normalization automatically. It applies filtering, it structures the output, and it ties reporting directly to geolocation. Now, instead of scattered headlines, we get structured entries. Each result is normalized. Sources are clearly attributed. Summaries are automatically generated. As we scroll, the output stays clean and organized. Events are tied directly to the map. We're not guessing where something occurred. We're seeing geographic context in real time. That matters in security and risk analysis. And when it's time to brief stakeholders, we can export structured output directly from the platform. No copy-pasting, no manual formatting, no stitching reports together. The difference isn't more data. It's structured input producing structured output. That's OSINT Crawler.